Hi, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Toyota Product Specialist at Clint Newell Auto Group, and today we're going to show you the all-new 2019 Toyota Rav4. As you can see, this vehicle's exterior has been completely remodeled. There's not one part of this vehicle that looks like the old Rav. I mean, the whole thing looks different. But what's even better is all the new features in the inside. Let's take a look. One new feature they've added to the 2019 Rav is Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. With this, you get the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, which now includes cyclists, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, road sign assist, which detects speed limit signs, stop signs, and yield signs, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, which now features lane tracing assist. Another great feature to this vehicle is Apple CarPlay. All you need is a USB cord. Make sure to not plug it in to these little guys because these are just for charging. And then you plug it into your phone. As you can see, with Apple CarPlay, you get your phone, your music, maps, text messages, podcasts, audiobooks, Google Maps, Pandora, Spotify, and Waze. As long as those apps are downloaded onto your iPhone, they will mirror into the vehicle. The detailing of this vehicle is impeccable. I love the center console. All the little details they put in here with the grip, so your phone doesn't slide around, your key won't slide around. They also included in this one the automatic parking brake. So as soon as you put the vehicle in park, it comes on, and as soon as you take it out of park, it turns off. Just below the parking brake, you have access to a lot of different driving modes, including Eco, Normal, and Sport mode, as well as the new features to this vehicle. One of the biggest new features is the multi-terrain select, which allows you to switch between different driving modes depending on what kind of terrain you're on. You can choose between snow, mud and sand, and rock and dirt. When activated, the system can sense slippage and will regulate wheel spin by automatically adjusting engine throttle, brakes, and drive force distribution. What's new? Yep. Ooh, there's little chargers back here. Okay, so we should have the seats at the same level. I want to talk about how amazing the seats are. Feel them, I wish they could feel the seat. And it's a new color. The seats in here are really great. They've added the soft tech leather in here. I wish you guys could feel how amazing these feel. Is that too many feels? This is also a brand new color combination that they have never done before. This one's called light gray. When you fold the seats down, you have endless room, and they have also added the all-weather mats in here so that you don't tear up the backs of your seat when you're hauling stuff. You can adjust the height of the tailgate by just using the button back here. Let me show you how. So say that's a little too tall for you. If you're short like me, I'm gonna lower it a little bit. So you push the button, you let it come down to where you want it, you stop it, you hold the button down until it beeps at you. Now it's gonna close, and when we go back to open it, it's gonna now be at the lower height. Boom. Thank you for checking out the 2019 Toyota Rav4. We look forward to seeing you when you come to see us at Clint Newell Auto Group.